Let's talk about the latest launched UMIDIGI smartphone A15. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.7 inches HD plus waterdrop notch display, resolution of 720 by 1650 pixels, approximately 84.1% screen-to-body ratio, 20.6 to 9 aspect ratio, 500 nits peak brightness, approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 64 megapixel main camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 5 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording, maximum 1080p at 30 fps on rear camera, and 720p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc T616 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB extended RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.6 by 75.3 by 8.6 mm, and it weighs around 195 grams. The color options: space gray, jade green, pearl white, graphite black, lavender purple colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 20-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, hotkey, headset-free FM radio support, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The UMIDIGI A15 has been priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 42,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $156 US dollars, and 12,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this UMIDIGI A15 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.